Today we're looking at the phoneme E. You can see two dots, so it's a long sound. E. You can hear this sound in ceiling, ceiling, beach, beach, sleep, sleep, police, police, people, people. To make this sound, you must stretch your mouth. You have to smile for this sound. Your tongue is high up in your mouth. Listen. E, E, E. Listen and practice these sentences. He's working on the ceiling today. He's working on the ceiling today. I love walking along the beach. I love walking along the beach. Do you find it easy to sleep? Do you find it easy to sleep? The police arrested him yesterday. The police arrested him yesterday. I don't like places where there are too many people. I don't like places where there are too many people. Do you find this sound easy or difficult to make?